Okay. So I covered all FIMM integration parts, right? You remember FIMM integration part, I have covered everything. I have covered moving average price, how to purchase, what is the impact in Metal Master. When you purchase with standard price and the standard price and pure price, any difference is there, how it will impact. So whatever reports you have in MM, which are the reports you have MM, and how to post Miro, how to cancel the Miro. So, and without Material Master via account assignment category also you are covered. So you are covered through with the material purchase order and moving average price, and with material purchase with standard price. Standard price. So standard price. Okay. So you have covered how it will work functionality, moving average price, how it will be standard. Without material also your purchase. Without material purchase order scenario also covered. Purchase order scenario. Without material purchase order means you're going to use account assignment category. Account assignment category. Category K for cost center. K for cost center. And cost center. F for internal order. F for internal order. This is not covered. You will cover when I'm explaining controlling. Okay. A for asset accounting. This is also not covered. I will show that asset accounting functionality, how it will work well when I'm explaining accounting. These are the scenarios I have covered. Now, you want to discuss subcontracting process also. If you want to know the subcontracting process in SAP. So, what is meaning of the subcontracting process? Any idea? Any idea?
Service purchase, sir.
No, no. So you have purchased some materials. You have purchased some materials, and you're going to give for packing or finished goods from the material, third party purpose you're going to use. Okay, you have created two materials here, one not one, this one, right? Now you're going to create, let's say I'm going to create, uh, there is a one more material as SFG product is flat, and one more material as packing. Okay. So you're producing to converting raw material to flour, and this flour you're going to give the packing purpose. Let's say, for example, you have purchased some materials for, let's say you purchasing from, RAM, hard disk. Okay. Let's computer example, a RAM, hard disk, motherboard. Okay. So this many components you purchase, and you give assembling purpose. Assembling, if you do for our company, it will take more time. All product I'm going to give third party. Third party will do for assembling and give it us the very less cost compared to our factory when I'm doing assembly. So that time you're going to use subcontracting process. Okay. Let's say you're producing some product. Okay, you will do packing. Packing, if you take, in our plant, if you do factory, it will cost is higher than compared to other persons. So you'll give it to other person to subcontracting process. He will do the packing and he'll give it back to our stock for us. Right? That is what subcontracting process. Okay. So take, for example, I have created two materials now, material one, material two, and you're going to give the third material, you're going to give for subcontracting. Okay. Let's create material master first one. I'm going to create material masters. I hope everyone knows how we'll create the material master, correct? So let me ask, did you practice, everyone? Are you practicing? So can you do practice, please? Huh? If not do practice, no, whatever scenarios I'm explaining, you forget everything. There is no use. That is the reason I'm requesting. Kindly do practice. If you do practice, it is more useful. Okay. Now I'm copying the material 14 RM to 14 RM. Plant is 1401. Okay. I'm copying from existing plant material, same material. Okay. So now click on this. So let's say I given hard disk, okay. So everything is same. Rest of the things are made. Everything is same. Basic data and purchasing data. So no need to do anything here. Purchase order text, MRP1, MRP2. I'm copying that material. Okay. MRP3, MRP4 not required. Okay. Planning. Okay. Plan data storage 2. Okay. This, what is this? Let's take computer profit center. Okay. Now valuation class is same. So hard disk cost I'll change here 3000. Okay. Hard disk cost, it will be changed as a 3000. Okay. $27. Yeah. Then go to accounting one tab. So here you can see MRP one tab. In the price determination 3 is there. No issues. Copying, no. Costing 1. Okay. Costing 2. Okay. This one. Save. Hard disk I'm copying. Okay. 6120 I'm copying. 600120 I'm copying. Okay. Again I'm copying motherboard. Okay. 1401 to 14 RF. Press enter. Motherboard. Press enter and press enter. Press enter. Keep press enter. That's it. Nothing can do. Press enter. You'll go for MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, planning, planning data 1, accounting 1, accounting 2, accounting 2, casting 1, casting 2, and save. So I create one more RAM. Okay, RAM.
I think we need to change the measurement, unit measurement.
Each only, no?
No,
KG.
it's kg.
Yeah, sorry, each. Yeah. I'll change all the things. Okay, RAM. Yeah. MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, planning, plan data store location, accounting 1, accounting 2. So values also change. RAM, let's say 2500. Casting 1, casting 2, save. So RAM, hard disk, other one, other product. What is RAM? What are the important? Processor. Huh? Motherboard, everything is comes under processor, right? Okay, other items. Enter, enter. Save. So now 620 21. I'll change the material 2021. 60120. I'm changing that. Yeah. So each. Okay. Twenty-one also will change the unit of measure. Okay, now you have created 4 materials. Now you're going to create final product computer. Okay, computer. Okay, So MM01, you're creating the final product is SFG or FG, whatever. Okay. So FET, you talk about FET is the final product. Okay. Enter here. So sales you extended later point of view. Same fields I'm using this. Unfinished goods 14 EFG I'm using. So 14 RM 1401 plant, whatever here I copying here. Is the computer. Okay. Computer. Okay. Or CPU, whatever computer CPU. Okay. So here gross weight 1, net weight 1, unit of measure kgs for 10 kgs, whatever. Units each. Each not value. Okay. So now go to basic MRP1. So MRP2, same thing. MRP3 also X, you can put X, no problem. X means let's say in-house production as well as purchasing outside. MRP2, MRP4. Okay, plant. Work schedule also required. Plant 1, plant data 2, computers fine, accounting 1. So here, let's say 15,000 you can make. We put 7920. Accounting costing 1, costing 2, and sale. So consumption account cannot be determined. So when I'm creating this EBR, consumption account not determined. So that is what you're going to use. Okay, no problem. I can don't MM01. I can use semi-finished product. HAL semi-finished product I have maintained. So press enter. 1401. 14. Okay, computer. Here 7900 I given. Seven nine double zero, casting 1, save. So I have created this material 6 material I have created. Okay. So now you can see for us to go to MM60. If you see MM60, go and execute. So what am I trying to say here? Okay, what happened? What I'm trying to say here. So you're consuming this material, okay, 20, 21, 23. You're going uh, to to do these materials 20, 21, 23, and 20, 24. These 4 materials you're issuing to the vendor and preparing the CPU, okay, for assembling. So 20, 21, 22, 23, there's no stock available right now. You're purchasing this stock now. Okay, purchasing the stock. Okay, the scenario first create the purchase order, then goods received, and you purchase the stock now. Okay, invoice verification you will do later point of view, no issues. But you talk about only for subcontracting here. So you're purchasing the material and stock you have to purchase. After purchasing the stock will be transferred to vendor to making as this product. Okay. So for that, you need to do a subcontracting PO. Okay. And we can make subcontracting PO. While creating the PO, you need to create the bill of material. What is called bill of material? What is component? Whatever components you're issuing to this producing this material. So for that, you're going to create bill of material. Okay. So that is the scenario now. So first what 20, 21, 22, 23 stock you need to bring. Okay. Going to bring the stock now. Purchase order. Create purchase order. ME21N. So here supplier already knows that, right? So item 10. Now what I'm trying to say, I'm creating all materials one time. Okay, this is one time I purchase. This is item 2. Item 2, this is I'm going to purchase like this. Okay. Header, click on header first. 14 PO. Purchasing group 001, company code 1411. Okay. So quantity, let's say I'm going to purchase 5 quantity. Assume that 5 quantity. So this is hard disk. Okay. Net price 2700 I can put. Okay. So 2700 each quantity. Currency INR. INR. Plant 1401. 1401. Enter. Okay. Here you can put. Where is the conditions? Conditions. Okay, PB00 na FB00 na PB00 2700. This is the one condition. Second item 20. Okay, what is the material? 600 121, not 00. Motherboard. Okay, so 5 quantity purchase. Each quantity, let's say 3500. Okay, material group 01, plant 1401. Okay, store location 14 RM. Okay, here 14 RM. Okay, press center. So here again go back down, PB00. Okay, put 3500. Okay, now go back 30 here. What is 30? 600 122 122. 5 quantity I'm going to purchase each quantity. So what is this? 422 RAM 2000 2200. Okay, 1401 store location 14 RM. So 14 RM. So here PB00. సార్ నేను చేస్తాను సార్ కాల్లో, నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను సార్, నేను చేస్తాను సార్. PB00. ఓకే, and 2200. Okay, press enter. RAM 2200. Okay, so like this you can purchase. So one more material you have, fourth material, other one, right? 600123. Okay, this is also 5 quantity. Okay, this is also okay, 2000 I'm enter. Okay, material group 01 1401. Okay, and 14 RM. Okay, yeah. So PB00. Okay, 2000. Okay, so you can check here. So this is what PB00. So this is where it will works. Okay, so 4 items I have created. So material, everything is checked. Now it's no issues now. I post here. So I have created PO now. So I have created PO with 4 items. Okay, you single PO, I am purchasing 4 items. Okay, you remember 4 items I have created. So this PO I have created now. This is normal PO. Okay, please ask if you have any doubts. Please ask right now. Okay, so then I'll creating MyGo, MIGO, MyGo. So MyGo, the goods is shipped. Again is to purchase order. So you need to enter the purchase order number. Okay. So here you can see 5 quantity I'm going to purchase. Okay. First you need to check item okay checkbox. Okay. Press enter. Every okay item okay checkbox. Every okay item okay checkbox. Okay. Press enter. So fourth line item. So fourth line item okay checkbox. And here you need to check store location, everything, enter the purchase order level, no issues. Okay. Then check now. Okay. Check. The document is okay. Then post now. Okay. So material document was posted. Okay. Which means stock is available right now. Okay. Which means stock is available right now. So material document was posted. PO created, material document posted. You want to see the document, accounting document here? Yeah, you can see now. So because very, very important as a finance consultant, what document was posted here? You can see document information, FI document here. So click on accounting document. Now see, this many documents are posted here. This many documents posted. Okay, what happened now? See, I'm activating purchase accounting management. You can see here, purchasing account, purchasing account. These are 2 line items are activating this one, right? So I will tell you what is this. Okay, purchasing account I'm activated. So this is what I'm going to tell you what I'm going to activate here. Purchasing offsetting entry. But normally what happened? Raw material stock account debited to raw material GRL account. Any price difference is that this price difference will be posted. Okay, this is the standard price and this is as actual price. This is the difference here, and these two are this standard price. Okay, forget about ENG, VKG. I will tell you what is this after later. And BSX. Okay, BSX, WRX. So BSX is this, the BSX is standard price. WRX for GRI clearing account, price difference account will be posted. These two are you forget about. I will tell you later. And again BSX, WRX price difference. This is two forgettable. BSX, WRX price difference. This is the accounting entries are posted. So this is, VING, VKG, what's up? I don't know. Can you clarify why you are going to skip now? And you're asking someone, right? So then I will show you here. So material management, valuation account assignment. So account determinations. And here, if you go for configuration, okay. If you go for here, click this. So if you go VING, so VING, okay. Control F, what happened? Not okay. VIN. So you can see now purchasing account, purchasing offset account, EKG, purchase freight charges, ENG. This transaction used for purchase accounting management activate at company code level. Due to special legal requirement, this function was developed by specially certain countries. One is Belgium, one is Spain, Portugal, France, Italy, and Finland. This only purchasing account management applicable for these countries. It's clear now? So because I'm activating, because last Friday I got one issue in my office. So accounting entries are posted wrongly. So immediately I have checked in my system. Okay, here you can see activate purchasing account method. So if you see in activate purchasing against our company code 1401 or 1411, I'm activated this one. If you activated this one, then only that accounting entries are posted. Sir, so activating this one, this accounting documents are posted. Okay. This is one checkbox I'm activated here. And second one, and calculate the purchasing accounting. So you can see here. So receipt value, delivery cost. Okay. You can see 4001. I'm activating these two checkbox. Only I did this configuration, rest of the things I'm not done. Then I have created the GL account. Then once you're activated here in configuration here, cancel, automatic account assignment. So here VIN is there. You can see purchasing account VIN. Okay, click on VIN. Give our chart of account 1411. So here you can see now valuation class account assignment. This GL account I have maintained, purchasing account. If you see that accounting document, VIN against to this GL account 45080 is there. So here you can see 45080 I'm mapping here. Okay. So and again EKG is there. Go to back. EKG is there. For EKG 45070, you can see 45070 is mapping. Only certain countries only applicable this scenario. Only certain countries only applicable for purchasing account management. If you ask anyone what is purchasing account management, normally you're going to use inventory management. Certain countries are only using the purchasing account. There's only for few to 6 countries only. So that time this activation is required. Clear, sir, everyone? Clear, sir?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir, clear.
This is the functionality for purchasing. Now you have a stock. Okay, M5L, if you check now, it is available for stock. What are the materials? So 411 and current period and execute. So you have available each and every material, 6655 quantity available materials. So this is my raw material. So click here. So, okay, these are the materials. Okay, this 240 kgs is available. Forget about 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 materials having 5 quantity available. Now, what happens? So, now you're creating the purchase order. Now, again, now you're going to do invoice verification, everything you know, right? Now, I'm using purchase order using this material for subcontracting PO. So, now I'm going to create subcontracting purchase order. Subcontracting purchase order. So, which is transaction code ME21 only. ME21 only, you're going to create subcontracting purchase order. Okay, let's go with subcontracting purchase order. ME21N. So, in vendor, so ME21N. In vendor, so vendor account, press enter. So header data, you need to give purchasing PO. Same thing, no difference from here and there. So you need to enter item 10. Which material you're choosing? 6 material. So now when I'm choosing 6 material 6, here you can see there is an account assignment category. Account assignment category, if you select A, asset will ask. If you select for C for sale order, M for also sale order, make to order scenario for M for make to order scenario, K for cost center, and F for internal order. Okay. So P for projects or service orders, project, W settlement, this way it will work. Okay, fine, no problem. So now this is for without material. If you purchase, then you're going to use account assignment category. Some of the time with material, it's sale order costing, you're going to use also. Here, item, you can see now item category. So here item, this is item category. Item category, you need to specify which process. Standard means blank. So if you purchase normal purchase, there's no need to enter anything for item category. If you use consignment or if you use for subcontracting, you need to select L for subcontract. Select L, then only subcontract. What is the difference between normal purchase order and subcontracting purchase order? A normal purchase order item category should be blank, and when you purchase from the subcontracting, you need to select subcontracting item category L. Any questions, sir? Any doubt, anyone?
Clear.
Yeah. So now I'm choosing item category L here. I'm choosing material. Okay. 5 quantity or 1 quantity. So you're issuing 5 quantity, you're producing 1 quantity. Are you issuing 1 quantity, you're producing 1 quantity. Let's say I give 1 quantity first now. Don't confuse. Then delivery date will give might be 21st or 21st 04 21st, 2025. Okay. Net price, subcontracting charges. Net price means subcontracting charges. Well, how much subcontracting charges? Let's say 500 rupees, sir. So your assembling purpose, you're given to the contractor for 500 rupees. 500 rupees per subcontracting charges here. Okay. Plant 1401 plus center 14 SF semi-finished goods. Okay. So location. So this is what you've done. What happened? Material 6 not maintain the purchasing of. Purchasing view is not maintained. MM01 6 material. Enter press center 14 SP is okay. Parallelly maintain purchase order text. Import purchase order text. MRP1, MRP2, MRP3. Everything is there, no? Yeah. So now you can see now the issue is not possible to determine the components. Okay. If you go here, components here. So here you can maintain the components. Okay. Your computer CPU, you are manufacturing now. So for that, you're going to use these are the components. Click on the components. So here you have materials, correct? You have a material. This many materials you're going to consume now. Control V, Control C. These are the materials you need to select. 621. Okay. 21 requirement quantity each. So here plant 1401 and storage location. Where is the storage location? This is storage location. You need to select storage location 14 RM like this. Okay. Otherwise, system is not throwing error message. Like this, you need to select. Okay. 120, no? 120. So you need to select store 14 RM. Against material, which material is that? That only you need to select. Otherwise, the system throwing error message. Okay. Now 121, 600, 121. One quantity you're producing, one quantity you're consuming. Your plant 1401. So RM location, if you enter 14 RM, throwing error message. Just you have select like that. 600, 1212, one each, 1401. So you need to select this one. Okay, these all are components. Okay, 601, 60123, 1 each, 1401, 14 RM. So I'm enter 14 RM here. Okay, that definitely will be throwing error. You can see now. Oh, fine. It is fine. So everything is fine now. So this is your components now. Okay, come back and check now. So everything is okay. So you understood now. what happened? I'll reply again and replay again. Okay, so I want to see here, I want to maintain the supplier from this, and then header data I have maintained. Then item 10, which material you're producing, that material you have entered, what is the producing charges, okay, subcontracting charges here. And then here you maintain the material, under material you have maintained the components and save this. So whatever components you're producing a product, your this many materials are consuming, you're producing these materials. Okay, 6 material and producing purpose, so you're consuming that material. So you will get some error messages to configure the GL account. Let's say subcontracting charges you need to create. Then you need to assign subcontracting charges and all the things. You'll get error messages. Each error message I will rectify, because before I configured, you not understand the system. So I'll when I'm going to do goods receipt now, you'll get some error messages now. Step number 1 for creating the subcontracting PO. I have created subcontracting PO. So blindly, so step number 1, creating the subcontracting PO. Step 1, creating subcontracting purchase order. Account item category L. Item category L. Now second step. So whatever stock you have available, this many materials is there, no? So your this many materials is there, okay? So this material stock you need to transfer to vendor stock. So this material stock you will transfer to vendor stock, okay? So here this many material is this material, it will see MB5L or MMBE. If you go for MMBE / and MMBE, so if you give here, so take one material, this 60012 material is there. So this material stock, so here unrestricted stock is there. Now this stock you will transfer to unrestricted stock to vendor stock. Vendor stock. Let's transfer. I will show you where it is goes. This stock will be transferred to vendor stock. Okay. So you need to stock transfer this 5 quantity. Out of 5 quantity, 1 quantity I'm going to transfer from our material stock to vendor stock. Then only vendor will make a product. So how it will be transferred, sir? So stock transfer. So second step, stock transfer. Stock transfer. Stock transfer from normal stock to vendor stock. So here movement type is very important. Movement type 541 movement type. What is the movement type? 541. What is the movement type? 541. Where you need to stock? Where which transaction code you need to? This one ME20 MIGO transaction code. You're using this transaction code. You transfer for stock. Transfer the stock. Okay, go to MIGO screen now. Go to MIGO screen, MIGO screen. So here creating the PO I have mentioned, subcontracting PO I have mentioned here. Okay, then go to / and MIGO. So here you can select transfer, no? So here you can see transfer posting. Transfer, okay? Transfer to other here. So here you need to enter 541 movement. So now you can see when I enter the 541, so here stock subcontracting stock O. Okay. Which material you will transferring now? This material. How much quantity you are transferring now? So you need to enter 1401 plant 114 RM. Okay. How much quantity you are transferring here? 1. So you need to give vendor account. Which vendor you are going to transfer? Okay. So that also you need to specify. So you are creating the PO which vendor? So you're creating the PO, which vendor? So same vendor you need to transfer. Okay. You're creating the PO, subcontracting PO, other vendor, you are going to transfer to other vendor. That is not good. So this is the PO, no? 500 charges. This is the vendor, right? So this vendor you need to transfer 410, you need to transfer here. So here you need to enter for this one. So here like this you need to enter, please. Okay. So now transfer posting, if you do material to material, this is the hard disk, you're transferring to your normal stock to your subcontracting stock for vendor stock. Then check now. Everything is fine. Okay, post the document. Okay, now check this particular material, one quantity, go to /o MMBE, /o MMBE, go to /o MMBE, /n MMBE. So this stock, go to, this is the material is transfer. So you can see here, vendor stock provided by vendor, one quantity, unrestricted stock 4 is there. Both are unrestricted stock provided to vendor. Our company provided to vendor, you mention here, stock provided to vendor. Okay, like this, all material you need to transfer. So, okay, 21 you need to transfer, 22 you need to transfer. Then only you are able to do for subcontracting process. Okay, clear, sir? Any doubts?
Clear, sir.
And check now, unpost. And again, this material 22, okay, plant 1401, 402, and vendor, press vendor, one quantity. Save. Sir, what is the accounting entry, sir? When I do transfer, I'll show you now. Don't worry. Press enter, post. Sorry, quantity. Post. Now see here, go to document, display, press accounting document, go to FI document. So there's no accounting document posted. When you do transfer, no subsequent document was posted because you're transferring from your stock to vendor accounts. When I transferring this one, no subsequent document posted. Okay. Keep remember, reference document, original document should be displayed MKPF, but there's no subsequent document was posted. FI document, there's no posted. When you do transfer, no subsequent document found. Okay. Number 3 step. What is number 3 step now? Then you'll take goods receipt. Then you take goods receipt for vendor. Subcontracting vendor. Which transaction code? MIGO only. MIGO only again. Go to MIGO. Go to goods receipt. Go to purchase order number. What is the purchase order number? This is my purchase order number. Correct? So here you need to copy. Enter. So you're copying this purchase order number here. Now enter, everything is copy. Come down, item OK checkbox, you can enter, and then press enter here. Now you'll get some error message here because there is accounting document. What I have tried to, let's say, what is accounting document posted here? FG stock account, SFG stock account, semi-finished, no? SFG stock account will be debited for 15,000 to credit change in stock account. This is the first entry, change in stock account. This is the SFG minus 15,000. Okay, this is the SFG. Now you have consumed RM consumption account debited. RM consumption account debited. Okay, 4 material consumption, right? So 4 times is coming. RM consumption 4 times is coming. Debited. 4 times is coming. For RM consumption 4 times. You have consumed for 4 materials, correct? So 4 times to RM stock account. To RM stock account. Stock account. This is also 4 times is coming. 4 times. 1, 2. Because 4 material is consumed. Then subcontracting charges account debited. Subcontracting charges debited for 500 and credit to vendor account. Sorry, credit to GRIR clearing account. GRIR clearing account. So minus 500. So this entries is coming. Any price differential goes to price differential coming. Okay. So then we'll check now. Where is this? This is what, right? So now check. You'll get some error message. You'll rectify GL accounts created. See, account determination EBO not possible. So consumption entry for subcontracting EBR not EBR EBO. So you need to maintain these entries for EBO. Four raw material you're consuming. That reason 4 errors message is coming. So 4 raw material you're consuming, 4 error message is coming. For that error message, go to OBYC transaction, OBYC na T code and maintain the GL account or assign the GL accounts. Assign the GL. Okay. Go to OBYC transaction code /n OBYC. Where you need to go? GBB and EBO. Okay, GBB and EBO. Go to GBB. GBB. What is GBB here? Here GBB. And Q our chart of accounts. EBO. 14 VZ. EBO. 30. This is my GL account. Okay, these are my consumption account. You need to map it here. So one time I map it here, it will gone now. Okay, if you are packing material also you are consuming. So then you are going to use EBO and 3050 and 3050 405502. Like this you have specified. And consumption also you have maintained. Like this consumption also you do consumption. So EBO and 7900 405503. Like this you need to map it here. Okay, done. So this error message is gone, sir. Now let's see. Go to click, check now. So this all messages required for cost element because this is the cost element. For this account assignment required for cost element. So for that, what you need to go? For that, you need to maintain this error message.
No, okay, B9 we have to maintain.
Yeah. Go to OKB9 transaction code. Go to OKB9 transaction code. You need to maintain default cost center. You need to maintain default cost center. Default cost center. Okay, you maintain the default cost center. Go to OKB9 transaction code. Okay, /n OKB9 transaction code. Okay, go to the new entry. So you already maintained something. Let me check 411. So you already maintained something, right? Here, same way you can maintain here. What is the error message? 440500. You can take this. Go to document 1411 GL account. Give cost center here. Computer cost centers. Okay, cost center. Okay. Computer cost center is not there. Create computer cost center because again profit center will make different, right? K01 1411 02 0301. Computer common cost center. Okay, person responsible to start W cost center category, let's say any cost center. So I mean main cost center category I'll select business area port in CH 1402 for functional area. Okay, save this. Cost center has been created. This cost center I am assigning here. And save. Okay, data was saved, cost center was saved. So now go back again, check this our MyGo transaction code. Check now. So everything is fine now. Okay. Then you'll try to post again, you'll get error message. So here you can see account determination for entry BSV not possible. One more entry BSV. What is BSV? What is BSV? So what is BSV? Subcontracting charges related. So you don't know anything. So you have already, I have copy paste, configure automatic posting, Control F. So BSV, I'm going to enter BSV here. So change in stock account, posted inventory management, goods receipt, recorded, subsequent adjustment record, change in stock account, you need to post. Change in stock account or COGM account, you need to post. Go to FS00. So here expense account. So COGM account, I map it here. Okay, this account I am going to map it. Or so I am going to copy this for change in stock account, change in SFG, change in stock SFG, change in stock in SFG. Okay, save. So again, this GL account, again you need to map here BSV, right? This is the error message, correct? BSV, correct? BSV and OKB9, both places. Okay, OKB9 and BSV. Come back, BSV. So here BSV, change in stock account, BSV, valuation modification, valuation class, save this. And 14 VZ you need to enter 7900 valuation class. This is the GL account. Okay, save this. I am done. Now this GL account you maintain OKB9. Where is the OKB9? Here is OKB9 is there. Okay. So go to OKB9 / and OKB9. Go to new entry, company code, cost element 4 and cost element this one. Okay, I save. Now again, you'll get one more error message because you're not maintaining the subcontracting charges, correct? Check now. Okay, and post. Subcontracting charges error message. This is FRL, last error message. This is FRL. So you need to maintain OKB9 transaction code, OBYC transaction code. Both, every transaction code you need to maintain like this. Here also same thing. You need to maintain. So FRL, what is FRL? Again, go to, you have a doubt. Okay, I'll go up now. FRL. So here FRL. So external services. FRL means external services. Subcontracting is external services, correct? So for that, you're going to use external service for FRL. FRL against you need to create the GL account. Before going to create the GL account, you need to create the GL account. So create the GL account, subcontracting charges. So here I'm going to create subcontracting charges. 20 subcontracting charges. This OKB9 transaction code, here go again, maintain the OKB9 also, subcontract charges also, then otherwise you will get error message. Okay, done. So I have maintained this one. So now go back. So everything is fine now. So this is how I have maintained subcontracting. Then go back in this way. FRL gada? FRL, right? FRL, yeah. Go to FRL, external activity. So valuation, modification, valuation class you need to enter. 14 VZ, valuation class 7900. So this is the GL account. 14 VZ, if you want to give 30, this GL account. Okay. 14 VZ 7920, the GL account. Okay. 14 VZ 3050, use the GL account. Okay, like this you can maintain, but right now 7900. So I hope now everything I have maintained now. So now see, there's no error messages. I'm posting now. Oh my God. Oh, the subcontracting charges not assigned to cost component structure. Okay. Because you are not creating cost component structure, even though you're asking for the subcontracting charges, also asking for cost component structure. Okay. This is the material. This is the one issue. Okay. But as of now, the cost component structure I'm explaining at the time of broadcasting. Don't worry about this. But even though I'm mapping here. So what is the error? Which cost component structure is referring? Y1, huh? Y1, huh? Y1. Okay. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, controlling. I will explain very detailed at the time of broadcasting what is my cost component structure, what is the purpose of cost component structure, everything. Okay. Because when why I'm going to explain by material management, because you want to learn broadcasting, material management is mandatory. For that, before asset accounting, I'm explaining that in material management. If you did practice, everyone understanding thoroughly, in broadcasting also easy, controlling also easy. Okay. So here subcontracting any there, broadcast uptime, personal material overhead. So I can add third party mission miscellaneous. Okay, I'm gonna add here. Go to new entry, cost center, chart of account for 1411, cost element, our cost element 40020. Okay, so here I'm selecting save. Whenever you activate any GL account, no, so what happened, no? So the system will be come back, it will be deactivated automatically. So you need to activate automatically. Any within the cost common structure, if you activate any GL account, anything modification, it will be deactivate automatically. It will activate automatically. Okay. So now try now again. Alright, I am assigning, no? I am assigning. Here it is there. It is there now. Let me close this again. Go back. Slash and MIGO. A document was posted now. Okay, material document. Check that accounting entries now. Display, press enter, check here. Display, FI document, accounting document. See now, I will bring material here. So you can easily understand. Okay, which is the raw material, which is the component material, and I usually understand. So here I choose the material. Oh, sorry. Select now. Here, what happened? Change the material. Yeah. Material I will bring here. Hmm. I will mention here. So I'll type total is sum of the value. Okay. Now subtotal of the material wise. So these are finished goods, semi-finished goods, right? So BSX 15,000, WRX, WRX is the freight GRI clearing account and subcontracting charges here. So here your stock value 15,000. Your stock value how much? 15,000. Okay, and price difference will be 4,000. How it will be 4,000? Change in stock 11,000. Why it 11,000? All consumption material. This is 3,000, this 3,000, 2,500, 2,000. Total how much? How much total? 3,000 plus 3,000, 6,000 plus 8,500 plus 10,500 plus consumption charges. 11,000. Total making charges how much? 11,000 here. Change in stock will be 11,000. So consumption value plus contract subcontracting charges value is the finished goods value, six material value, 11,000. But your maintained finished goods standard value, how much? 15,000. So the 15,000 minus 11,000 equal to 4,000 semi price difference account. Clear now? You have any clarification needed? So here you can see raw material stock account, consumption account, raw material stock, consumption, raw material stock, consumption, raw material stock, four materials you're consuming, four material stock. So each material wise 3,000, 3,000, 2,500, 8,500, 10,500 plus subcontract charges 500 is called 11,000 rupees. Will be final product. This computer CPU product 11,000, but you are maintain that this product value in 15,000 in the standard price. The standard price minus actual price difference equal to 4,000 price difference account posted. It's clear? It's clear, sir? Any doubts, sir? Anyone? This is the consumption entry, sir. This is the subcontracting process accounting document. It's clear, sir? Any doubts?
Yes, sir, clear.
It's very, very important. Somewhere
Yeah.
you make a notes also. Okay.
Understood.
So then you need to do Miro. When you do Miro, what happened? Only 500 rupees only posted. Subcontracting charges only posted. Go to Miro. Only subcontracting charges will posted. MIRO. So this is my purchase order, correct? Only posted. Step number Miro. Fourth step Miro. So here date 04/18 2025. Test number 10. Okay. Business place you need to enter. You need to give for vendor purchase order number. So here you can see now 500 rupees. So you need to enter 500. So your this subcontracting charges. Oh, someone is changing tax ing is manual. Someone is changing this part. So where you need to go? Go to here accounting, financial accounting, global settings, tax on sales purchase, and basic settings. Assign tax procedure our country. So go to India, our country. So this is not for this. Tax ing not for us. So for us, this is one. Okay. So enter and then save. So now you'll go and check now, simulate. Okay, go to /n/MIRO. $500. So only it will post it as per Mahesh Private Limited for 500 rupees created and SFG clearing account 500 and post. Now you'll do for payment for vendor account debited to bank account. So this is the subcontracting process, sir. So exactly will take 1 hour time. If you have any doubt for subcontracting process, please let us know. So I have covered almost which are relevant for us, FICO consultant, then I will cover. You're not consultant. So even though I have covered for stock transfer also, correct? Any doubts, sir? Now I'm going to create. Now this is the SDFI integrations. I request you kindly do practice. So today you're going to talk about asset accounting. You'll take 5 minutes break, sir. So then you'll start asset accounting into fresh mind. Okay. So in F5, sir, audible mics.
Yes, sir, audible.
Yes, audible, sir.
In F5, general ledger is completed, account payable is completed. Okay. And account receivable is completed. And tax on sales purchase completed. Now, main topic for asset accounting. In asset accounting. In FIMM integration also completed here. FIMM integration. Okay. So completed. These are the topics are completed now, which are, will be make it as complete. Okay. So now, you have completed, right? Asset accounting, in the today class section. What is asset accounting? Okay. Give me 5 minutes break, sir. I'll come back. Okay. Just for 5 minutes. I'll pause my recording. Okay. Yes, sir. Today is asset accounting, sir. So very, very important topic, asset accounting. Okay. Let me stop my recording. Okay. I'll disconnect the class. I'll come back again. A fresh recording will be asset accounting is separate recording is available. Okay. I just now I log off and log in. Please wait everyone in that Zoom link.